नमस्कार. सांस्कृतिक कार्य संचालनालयाने आयोजित केलेल्या 11 जानेवारी ते 17 जानेवारी अशा 7 दिवसांच्या सप्तरंग 2013 महोत्सव महासंस्कृतीचा प्रणामी भगवती आणि रुद्र जयंत भगवती भारताची मंगलमय प्रतिमा तुळशीचं रूप देऊन प्रणामी भगवती यांचा आपण सन्मान करतो आहोत. तसंच रुद्र जयंत भगवती यांना देखील इथे याची विनंती करीन. रुद्र जयंत भगवती
Very good evening and welcome to the Northeast Fiesta. At the foremost, I sincerely thank the Maharashtra Cultural Affairs for giving us this platform to bring some of the scintillating performing arts traditions from the northeast of India for the Saptarang 2013. Tonight, I'd like to welcome you all to the performances of some very popular performing arts from far eastern side of India. India's northeastern region is an abode of beautiful natural scenes, sanctuaries, rare species, migrating birds, orchids, tea gardens and rituals. The 8 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Sikkim, collectively categorized as the northeastern states of India. These states are still to be explored at its best and their native cultural extravaganzas to made popular. On behalf of my entire team who has come from Northeast, like places like Assam, Manipur, and an island that's world-renowned island called Majuli, that's in Brahmaputra River, they have come from there to perform their traditional art forms in front of you guys. So here, I'd like to thank and welcome you all to witness this show. Thank you so much.
रुद्र जयंता भगवती आणि प्रणामी भगवती हे आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावरील कोरिओग्राफर्स आहेत आणि या देशाचे सांस्कृतिक प्रतिनिधीच आहेत. इंडियन काउन्सिल फॉर कल्चरल रिलेशन्सचे ते पॅनलमधील कलाकार आहेत ज्यांनी जर्मनी, दुबई, इंग्लंड आणि अशा अनेक देशांमध्ये भारताला रिप्रेझेंट केलेला आहे. त्यांच्या नावावरती काही अत्यंत लक्षवेधी अशा कोरिओग्राफी जमा आहेत. रुद्र जयंता भगवती आणि प्रणामी भगवती.
The Gayan Bayan is a traditional performance of the Satriya dance tradition. The singer is called Gayan and the instrument players are called Bayan. This composition is highly rhythmic and choreographic. The performers perform with a Satriya dance khol and accompanies it with the rhythmic notes called the bols. Shri Krishna, the incarnation of Sri Hari Vishnu, is known for his charm, wittiness and intelligence. His flute melodies mesmerized his friends and the gopis, giving them all a rendezvous experience. This Krishna Vandana would worship the Lord, describing his beauty, and would showcase glimpses of his deeds through Kathak dance, the classical dance form of the northern India. Dance hails from the state of Manipur. Dance is considered as an inseparable presentation in almost all the ceremonial rituals and festivals. There are many myths and spiritual beliefs attached to the Manipuri dance. Many stories of gods and goddesses are related to the history of the dance. The Ras Leela is a dramatic representation where the dancers adorn themselves with gorgeous, elaborate and beautiful costumes and jewelries. The entire Ras is centered on the Sringar Bhakti. The movements are continuous, tender, soft and subtle.
Satriya is the Indian classical dance and hails from Assam. It's dance art developed in the Satras and a core effort of Mahapurusha Srimad Shankradeva. It is a devotion-centric dance form and presents mostly compositions on Lord Krishna and Lord Rama. The Pung Cholam is another rendition of Manipuri dance. It is a combined performance of beautiful body movements and a musical rendition of intricate rhythmic patterns done with the musical instrument Pung, two-sided horizontal drum. The performance projects calculated rhythmic pieces and balanced flow of the body weight and movements.